Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This evening I'm going to cook eggs with dragon chive and also vegetables. Okay, start cooking. Put more oil because I need to cook 5 pieces of eggs, 2 bundles of dragon chive. I put 1 tablespoon of garlic. This one, dragon chive, yellow. There are two kinds, green and light green. These are called dragon chives, like the size of the spring onion. This is very easy to cook. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon, half teaspoon. It's like very salty. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And it's up to them to add something that will be delicious if you want it. Depends upon their preferences. Yes. After I put the eggs, 5 eggs, 2 bundles of dragon chives, and 5 eggs. Good for 4 adults and 1 minor. Exactly, my boss arrived. He's sleepy like me. No, I'm laughing about this. What I'm cooking.
Can't be in very cold. Oh, help your soup, Yama. Soup.
Yes, sir.
Let me drink it first.
Okay.
Very cold.
I'm very cold outside?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Quite cold.
Time to eat. It's time to eat. Okay. This this is it. Very easy. Ginger. Garlic. 1 tablespoon of garlic or slices of ginger. These are the leftover vegetables, so I mix together. Rather than it will be roasted. Half teaspoon of salt, just very little. Half teaspoon of sugar. I'm not very salty because the vegetable is not a lot. Mix with the water. And then mix together. After it's done, it's very cold outside. Gusto ulit ang papakuha natin. I need to separate for the lady because she will eat later on. It's better to separate for her. Okay, this is for me and for her. I need to separate for my employer's daughter because she will come back home late. So this is for her. She's not eating a lot, so this is all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching, for liking, for commenting, and everything. Thank you so much for your support. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye. See you next time.